Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Dascooni 61 key keyboard piano, an electric piano designed specifically with beginners in mind. This isn't just a simple keyboard. It's packed with features to help someone starting their musical journey. Right off the bat, it has 61 keys, which is a good size for learning without being overwhelming. The keys themselves are designed with rebound feedback, giving them a realistic touch that feels good under the fingers, and they have a moderate strength, making them comfortable for longer practice sessions. Sound-wise, it comes with built-in dual speakers that provide clear audio, helping users find their rhythm and enjoy their music. It offers a good variety with 16 different instrument tones and various drum percussion accompaniments to play along with. There are also 6 demo songs included, which are great for listening or playing along. Beyond just playing notes, this electric piano has some smart functions. Users can play chords with multiple notes, and there are dedicated keys for features like sustain and vibrato, adding more expression to the music. It even includes recording and programming capabilities, allowing beginners to experiment with creating their own simple tracks. The description mentions it's like having a band in one instrument, making it easy to get started even with zero prior experience. A really cool feature is the self-playing and singing aspect. Thanks to the built-in microphone input, you can connect a microphone, which is included, and sing along while you play. This is perfect for anyone who wants to experience performing their own songs. For learning, it includes a teaching mode. This keyboard combines self-learning, practice, entertainment, and playing all in one package, aiming to help children and beginners learn in a standard way. It comes with everything needed to get started. A score stand to hold sheet music, the microphone we mentioned, key letter stickers to help identify notes, audio input, and headphone and microphone sockets. There's also a digital display, which makes navigating the different functions easy. Portability is another key aspect. This keyboard is lightweight, measuring about 26.77 by 7.87 by 2.16 inches, making it easy to move around or take with you. It can be powered either by the included standard power adapter or by 1.5 VAA batteries, though batteries aren't included, offering flexibility for playing anywhere, whether at home or outdoors. It's designed for long-lasting battery life when using batteries. Overall, this Dascooni 61 key keyboard piano seems like an excellent choice for beginners. It's described as a perfect gift for someone starting out or pursuing an interest in piano. The features like the teaching mode, included accessories, and the ability to sing along make it a comprehensive package for someone just getting started. Plus, the company offers 24-hour customer service if any issues arise.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.